Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert current date word. We open the Word document. There, we will go to the Insert menu and then click on the option Date and Time located in the text group. In this window, in the language field, choose the language you currently use. Then you can choose the desired date and time format. When you select it, check the box, Update automatically. Click on OK to insert the date and time and it will be updated automatically. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.